Assalamu alaikum and good morning to you all. Hope you all are fine by the grace of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Welcome back to online classes. Class 3, before starting our today's lecture, let's see what chapters we have done in final term. We have completed Unit 5 Division, Unit 7 Length, Unit 8 Mass in our class. And today we are going to start our unit number 9, Capacity. So let's begin our unit. What is capacity? Capacity means how much a container holds. Capacity is measured in milliliters, and we write a small ml for milliliter and in liters, and small l is denoted for liter. 1000 milliliters is equals to 1 liter. The liter is used to measure the capacity of large containers, and the milliliter is used to measure the capacity of small containers. It means milliliter is a smaller unit and liter is a bigger unit. And as I told you that 1 liter is equals to 1000 milliliters. Okay, open page 98 of your book and see the question. Read and write the volume of liquids in each container. Look at these containers. Every container has different volume. Now tell me, what is the volume of the first container? Yes, it's 500 milliliters. And second one has 1500 milliliters. Next, it's 2000 milliliters. Next one, it's 1300 milliliters. Next, it's 1400 milliliters. Then 1000 milliliters, 700 milliliters, 200 milliliters. Okay, now it's your homework is to do page 98 in your book and learn table of 8. Thank you.